In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Leonardo AI Desktop to fix an image. Leonardo gives you a lot of different editing options. You can improve quality, change a face, update clothing, swap locations, and much more. But in this tutorial, we're focusing on one specific task, changing an image background in a simple and effective way. To begin, open the Leonardo AI app. Once you're inside the platform, click on Image to enter the image generation and editing area. From there, click the image box with the plus icon. This is where you'll start adding the image you want to work with. Next, click on Image Reference. This tells Leonardo that you want to use an existing image as the base for your edit. After that, choose either Upload an image or Your Generations. If the picture you want to edit is saved on your device, use Upload. If you want to modify something you already created inside Leonardo, choose Your Generations instead. Once your image is loaded, type in your prompt. This is where you describe the background you want Leonardo to create. Try to be clear and specific so the result matches your idea as closely as possible. After writing your prompt, choose a model. Different models can produce slightly different results, so pick the one that best fits the style of image you want. You can also choose a style if you'd like, although this part is optional. If you want a more distinct visual look, a style preset can help guide the final result. Next, choose your image dimensions. This should depend on the type of edit you're making and where you plan to use the image later. Then select the number of generations. Creating more than one version can give you a few background options to compare. When everything looks good, click Generate and let Leonardo process your image. Once the results appear, review them carefully and choose the version that best fits your original image.